Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had a friend point this out to me yesterday. Did an option, bought some shares, and I've been watching this one. Should have bought into it yesterday. I didn't know how much it was going to run up, but it's still running up. This is Revlon, ticker REV. But here you can see what it's at today. It's already up another 41%, $2.54. Here's what it looks like over the last week. If you'd have got in here last week at $1.60, you'd made a killing. So even at $3, so it just keeps climbing. Don't know how far this one's gonna go, but if you don't know much about this one, Revlon Incorporated manufactures and sells beauty personal care products. The firm's products include cosmetics and so on. Feel free to pause if you want to go over all of that, but founded in 1932, market cap 425, we'll just call it 426 million. It'll probably be there soon, the way it's going. High today of 829, low today of 752, so even if you wanted to trade this one, it'd probably be a decent one to trade throughout some of this action, but I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion. But the 52-week high is $17.65, and the 52-week low is $1.08. And here's kind of some other articles about it. So here's kind of what's going on. Revlon shares rise 21%. Shares up following bankruptcy filing. And this just came out yesterday. I think the talk started on it last week, as you can see by the price action. But here's their earnings. Next is expected on August 4th. But it's been kind of a interesting one, kind of a fun one to watch. So here it's starting to go. I thought it was going to go down. Just lots of price action there. So it's had a lot of volume on it as well. So that's definitely not up to date. So I think it was like 160 million something yesterday. But over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a hold, rising fast, plus we'll just call it 42%. The previous close was $6.06. And see if they have. Nope. When I first looked at it, the volume on it was like 160 million shares being traded. So Revlon touches a 10-week high as wild post bankruptcy trading continues. And as you can see, this is just dated on the 22nd. So again, ticker REV. We're set to open at their highest level since early April on Wednesday. Shares of the cosmetic retailer roared over 30% higher in Wednesday's pre-market hours, building upon significant gains in recent days after falling to just above $1 per share in mid-June as bankruptcy rumors abounded. Stock touched over $8 per share in Wednesday's pre-market trading. Trading volume has continued to surge well, with about 13 million shares changing hands in the pre-market trading. Level already surpasses the average volume that has been stretched to over 9 million as of late, amid rising trading volume and short covering post-bankruptcy. Short interest on the name has swung wildly amid the squeeze, according to Fintel. The short interest has largely oscillated between about 35% and 50% in recent days. And so, if you have any more information on this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments. It's going to be a fun one to watch. Revlon stock keeps surging despite filing for bankruptcy, and this was just out 5 hours ago. Last week, the iconic makeup brand Revlon filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The reason for the filing was myriad and included mounting debt, increased competition from celebrity-backed beauty brands, supply chain issues, and continuing slow death of the American mall. I think all malls are dying, so Since the beginning of 2022, Revlon stock has crashed. Only January 3rd, the stock was worth $11.66 per share, but on June 16th, when Revlon announced it was filing bankrupt Chapter 11, the stock sat at just about $1.95 per share, so I wish I would have got in on that. That would have been awesome. However, since the bankruptcy filing announcement, Revlon stock has surged while still at below its January highs. The stock closed at $6.06 a share yesterday. That's a threefold increase since the bankruptcy filing announcement and a 62% surge in the stock price in just one day. So, kind of crazy action. So, at the time of the writing, Revlon is up another 32% in the pre-market, trading to just over $8 a share. Revlon stock is almost at a fourfold since the bankruptcy announcement last week. The consensus seems to be investors think that likely Revlon will be acquired by another company, a relatively low stock price. Reports suggest that Reliance Industries Limited is interested in the potential takeover. Reliance Industries is an international conglomerate based in Mumbai, India. It has interest in everything from petrochemicals to retail. So definitely going to be watching this one for the next couple days. Hit attempt Revlon results in deep value play. Preparing to file for bankruptcy. Acquisition. So, don't know exactly what's going to happen with this one. It could keep running up. There it's showing $9 or up above the $9 mark. Looks like it's taken off again. 52-week low of $1.08, high of $17.65. The rate it's going, it could hit that again. And market cap of $203.43 million, average volume 26.49. Halted. Time to sold, it will go down manipulation. Halted, $20, there's your call. Let's bankrupt hedges on the squeeze. Gotta love it. So that's all that I have for this one for now. I'll probably make another video or two about this one. I'll be watching the price action, but it's just on a trajectory right now to the moon on that one. So, but like I said, if you have any other comments on this one, if you've done an option on it, go ahead and leave that in the comments. If you bought shares in at a certain price, that'd be interesting to know as well. You can leave that in the comments. And where you think this one's going to go. So, or if it's going to go bankrupt or get acquired or go up to $20 or $30, could easily hit 10. So, we'll just have to watch it. So, but that's all that I have on Revlon for now. So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.